Hi, this is Erik Linask coming to you from Interop in Las Vegas, and I'm talking now with Benny Czarny from a company called Opswat. Welcome, Benny.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. So, this being the first time that we've spoken, maybe you can start off by telling me a little bit about who Opswat is and what you do.
Okay, so Opswat is a software company. We're based in San Francisco. We develop mainly development tools, and our primary go-to-market is OEMs. So out of the 36 employees that we have, 30 are software engineers, which is a huge ratio between engineering to other functions at the company. Our products are primarily being used by companies like Cisco, Microsoft, Juniper Networks, F5, and a bunch of others.
A couple of well-known companies there. Tell me a little more about your primary products.
So we have actually 4 products. Our main product is called Oasis Framework. Oasis Framework is a manageability toolkit. It's a set of libraries and XML files that you embed to your application that empowers you to manage third-party security applications. So, for example, what you can build using Oasis Framework are compliance tools, network health assessment tools. Products powered by this framework includes Cisco Network Access Control, Juniper UAC, F5, SSL VPN, client posture assessment, various support tools. So, for example, there are several support companies that what they put together is an application that assesses what's installed on the endpoint, whether there is an antivirus installed, there is an anti-spy or personal firewall, how this encryption, and also help the user automatically configure those. So that's Oasis Framework. The second product that we have is called Metascan. Metascan is a super antivirus engine. It's like I kind of like to call it the mother of all antiviruses. So it's an antivirus built out of 8 antivirus engines. The whole concept is that no antivirus is perfect. So we developed in the past 3 years an engine that is built out of 8 independent engines. The product is being used, licensed by various very interesting companies, including government agencies, for a deep inspection of files, buffers. The third product that we have is called App Remover. App Remover simply uninstall applications. There is a free package available at appremover.com, available for personal use, and we also have a toolkit that is available for software engineers for OEM purposes. And the fourth product that we have is called MetaDefender for Secure Access. MetaDefender for Secure Access is a very light memory scanner powered by 8 antivirus engine that is scanning the memory of your PC for viruses using all of these engines in around 8 seconds. So the nice thing about it is that actually we take that and integrate that to Juniper, Citrix, Microsoft SSL VPN as a part of a posture assessment. This solution is available to download on our website at www.opswat.com under the MetaDefender for Secure Access section.
So, out of those 4 products, I want to get back to the Oasis framework for a minute. You mentioned a couple of different companies using it. Just talk a little bit more about this, the variety of implementations that you've seen.
So, Oasis framework, we have a bunch of implementations. So, let's start with Cisco NAC. So, one of the objectives of network access control is to ensure that the endpoint prior to actually accessing the network is really healthy. So for example, is there an antivirus installed? Is there a hard disk encryption installed? Is the machine patched? Is there a P2P running on this endpoint? So the way Cisco NAC is using it is actually using Oasis Framework to assess what is installed, how well it's configured, and also enabling the system administrator and the user to improve the configuration of its predefined security application. Cisco challenge is to go and integrate to thousands of security applications out there. And if you think about it, how many security applications out there? And look around you here at Interop, and there are so many of those.
Right.
So go and create a single development interface that manage, assess, detect what's installed, how it's configured, and we are solving this challenge using Oasis Framework.
Excellent. We're talking here at Interop with Opswat's Benny Czarny. Benny, thank you very much for joining me.
Great. Thanks for having me.